And yes, you can.
Hi friends, I'm Les Mood, your host. Welcome to the Energy Independence Show, where we cover product reviews, interviews, and hot news. According to Lyriq, Cadillac reveals the Lyriq electric crossover with 19 kilowatts of home charging option due in late 2022. Cadillac took the wraps off its Lyriq EV this evening, a few evenings ago. In a digital event, GM's luxury brand revealed a striking and ultra-luxurious crossover EV. It's still a show car, although the company says it's about 80% towards production. The Lyriq goes on sale in the US in late 2022. In a media briefing earlier this week, Cadillac executives spoke about how the Lyriq will redefine American luxury, and the brand will offer a portfolio of transformative EVs. But this week's news, coming more than 2 years before the arrival of the first electric Caddy, it's all about the photos, with very few technical details about the electric powertrain. Marty Hogan, chief engineer for the Lyriq, says, "We're going to do everything we can to maximize range. Our objective is to offer over 300 miles range on what we're doing with these products and the variants of these products. But we're still in the development phase of the program." According to cleantechnia.com, Germany's EV market share hits all-time record high of 11.4% in July, up 4 times year over year. Germany is Europe's largest automaker, and it saw this record 11.4% plug-in electric vehicle market share in July, up 4 times from the same month last year. The cumulative year-to-date EV market share now stands at 8.5%. This is even though the overall auto market recovered from the lull of recent months, with July 2020 sales down just 5% from July of 2019. This is the first time Germany broke through the 10% EV market share barrier, with 11.4% as a huge result for Europe's largest auto market, especially in the context of relatively normal auto market volumes. Obviously, Germany's new incentive package for plug-in electric vehicles has played a role in the result. These incentives will continue to be in place in the coming months, so we can expect more strong performances ahead. We don't yet have the best-selling model data for July. The top 3 most popular EV models at the end of June in Germany were the Volkswagen e-Golf, the Renault Zoe, and the Tesla Model 3, all pure battery electric vehicles. According to MSN.com, driving into the UK cities may mean your hybrid car now auto switches to fully electric mode. If you're planning to drive into the center of London or Birmingham, you may find your car automatically switches you into fully electric mode. It's due to the introduction of BMW's eDrive zones, which geofence London and Birmingham and sees compatible hybrid cars automatically switch mode as you cross a geographical border. While this is the first time the technology has come to Britain, BMW has been rolling it out in a number of other European cities since March, with 80 zones currently set up across the continent. The hope is that this automatic switch is a fully electric car mode when drivers enter busy city centers will help reduce the emissions in these areas. According to renews.biz, solar panel producer embraces 100% renewable target. China-headquartered photovoltaic module maker Jinko Solar has unveiled its RE100 roadmap to ensure the company is 100% powered by renewables by 2025. The roadmap includes several actions to lower emissions caused by Jinko Solar's global operations. Key measures include building new factories in or adjacent to renewable-rich regions to facilitate green electricity sources, and investing in more on-site solar as well storage projects by deploying panels on suitable rooftops across its global network of factories and facilities. Jinko Solar Vice President Danny Quinn said, "We're proud of our ambitious roadmap we have set for the coming 10 years. As the world's largest solar module manufacturer, it doesn't make sense that we produce renewable equipment but not use renewable energy ourselves." According to SolarPowerWorld.com, PG&E is to provide financial assistance to Californians installing residential batteries. Pacific Gas and Electric today announced a new financial assistance pilot for residential customers installing home battery storage systems through the statewide self-generation incentive program. Approved by the California Public Utilities Commission on July 16, 2020, the new pilot for the existing SGIP program allows eligible customers to install the technology at no cost to them. Through SGIP, PG&E provides financial incentives for customers installing new qualifying equipment for generating and storage energy for their homes. Typically, a customer who applies for the SGIP receives a rebate once the project is complete, which requires the customer to pay the upfront cost for the project. This new financial assistance pilot for SGIP ensures eligible customers do not pay any cost for buying and installing a home battery energy storage system. And that's it for the hot energy news. If you're considering energy storage, you should visit sunestimator.com for a free online quote at a safe distance. That is again it for the hot energy news. Thank you for joining us. The revolution is here. We will see you soon.